Good afternoon, Donald Sharper with Winston Food Service. I'm so glad to be at the KFC National Show to finally present and release our new Winston flip door cabinet, our HOV cabinet. It has been launched this week at the KFC show and we're so proud of it. So we love the opportunity to bring this to the show. We're going to be part of the integrated M line that's going to be rolled out later this year at all KFC.
They were on, I don't know, one of their trips because he was helping Winston sell these things. The Colonel actually gave Winston one of his gold tasting spoons. So Winston had told me that story so many times that I thought that was a great symbolism of partnership. So that's what that represents. That's what you all represent to us.
And it's also a nice addition to our conference.
Yeah, well, we're proud to be partners with you. And I know you're telling us left and right, the good things and the bad, that's what we want. So.
That's awesome. Thank you very much. We look forward to another 50 years.
Exactly. That's what we're looking for.
Well, good afternoon. My name is Mike West with Us Quality Food Service out of Laurel, Mississippi. We've been operating KFCs for the last 51 years. I've been a part of the business ever since I could walk. We use Winston fryers in more than half of our restaurants. We have 56 locations. I can tell you a funny story about Winston that I first learned years and years ago from a gentleman that taught me all I know about this equipment. The first Winston fryer that my Papa West ever got in, we had a gentleman named Walter Spencer that worked for us. And Walter, when he would get a new piece of equipment, especially like this Winston, he totally disassembled it, took it apart. My papa came into the shop, saw this brand new fryer in pieces all over, and he just went ballistic. And Mr. Walter said, Mr. West, this is how I learned how to put them together, how to work on them. You know, I take them apart, put them back together, and that was kind of interesting. But it tells you that a piece of equipment today is just like it was years and years ago. It lasts. We love them, and we're continuing to buy them, going in our new restaurants and remodels. We're going with the Winston Collector-Matics and their new half-size holding units. Their full-size holding unit hopefully will be available soon, which would be a great addition. So that's kind of my story with the Winston equipment.
Hi, I'm Justin Stewart. I'm the COO of Stewart Restaurant Group. We have 92 restaurants throughout the western United States. And I'm here to tell you about this Winston cabinet, which is simply amazing. We put this in our busiest restaurant, which happens to be the busiest single unit KFC restaurant in the nation. And we thought, let's put it in that one so they can really put it through the test. And I got to tell you, this thing has outperformed anything we've ever had. It's simply amazing. So after that restaurant, we put it in the next store that we just opened. And those sales for the first week were $135,000. And they said this was their favorite piece of equipment by far in that restaurant. And we've got automatic dishwashers, we got it all. But they love this thing. They had no issues with it, and it held temperature. I would highly recommend this cabinet if you're looking at a cabinet replacement or new cabinets for your new restaurant. So please check it out.
My name's Eric Galan. I'm a second generation franchisee. My dad was using these cookers before I was born. I stand behind them. They work. That's why I like them.